Imagine your liver healing itself in just a few weeks, without expensive pills, without risky side effects, simply by making the right changes in your daily life. The liver is your body's silent hero. It filters toxins, balances hormones, stores energy, and processes everything you eat and drink. But when fat starts building up inside, it becomes what doctors call fatty liver disease. Millions of people over 40 have it without even realizing. The good news? Fatty liver is not permanent. Research shows it can be reversed naturally, often in just weeks. Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful steps that are proven to work better than any pill. Sugar is the liver's worst enemy. Most people think fat in the diet causes fatty liver, but the real culprit is fructose, a type of sugar found in sodas, packaged foods, desserts, and even healthy fruit juices. When you eat sugar, your liver has to process it. But unlike other nutrients, fructose doesn't get burned as energy. Instead, it's turned directly into fat and stored inside your liver. Over time, this fat buildup causes inflammation, scarring, and disease. Take a look at your daily routine. That morning muffin, flavored coffee, fruit yogurt, or so-called energy bar may contain more sugar than a can of soda. The danger is that these are hidden sugars. They don't always taste very sweet, but they overload the liver. The solution? Start by cutting out sugary drinks completely. Replace sodas and packaged juices with water, sparkling water, or herbal teas. If you like sweetness, add slices of lemon, orange, or cucumber. For snacks, choose fresh fruit over candy bars. And instead of sugary breakfast cereals, try oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Studies show that within just 10 days of cutting out added sugar, the liver begins to lose fat. In children with fatty liver, researchers saw a dramatic improvement when sugar was reduced without changing anything else in their diet. That means sugar alone is powerful enough to drive fatty liver. For seniors, this step is even more important because metabolism slows with age. The liver becomes less efficient at processing excess calories, so sugar's damage happens faster. By eliminating hidden sugars, you give your liver a chance to rest and repair itself. Remember, you don't have to quit sweet foods completely. Nature provides safe, nutrient-rich options like apples, berries, pears, and dates. The key is to avoid refined sugar and artificial sweeteners which trick the body and keep cravings alive. So the first step in reversing fatty liver is simple. Say no to hidden sugars and yes to natural, whole foods. Food can either burden your liver or heal it. A diet rich in processed foods, fried meals, and refined carbs forces the liver to store fat. But the opposite is also true. Eating the right foods helps the liver flush fat out and regenerate healthy cells. One of the best approaches is the Mediterranean diet, proven in multiple studies to reverse fatty liver. This diet emphasizes vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, fish, olive oil, and nuts. These foods are high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which reduce liver fat and inflammation. Let's look at some superstar foods. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes to flush toxins. It also reduces fat stored in the liver. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, these boost natural detox pathways and fight inflammation. Green tea, rich in catechins, it helps burn fat and improve liver function. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce liver fat and protect against inflammation. Olive oil provides healthy monounsaturated fats that lower cholesterol and support liver healing. Avoiding fried foods and refined carbs like white bread and pastries is equally important. These spike blood sugar and force the liver to store more fat. Instead, switch to brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole grain bread. One simple daily routine could be Breakfast, oatmeal topped with walnuts and blueberries. Lunch, a colorful salad with olive oil, chickpeas, and grilled chicken. Dinner, baked salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Snack, a handful of almonds or green tea with lemon. Within weeks of following such a diet, many patients see a drop in liver enzyme levels, a clear sign that healing is happening. Your liver is remarkable. It regenerates itself like no other organ, but it can only rebuild if you feed it with the right tools. Every meal is either medicine or poison for your liver. The choice is yours. Exercise is one of the fastest, most effective ways to reverse fatty liver. Why? Because physical activity reduces insulin resistance, burns stored fat, and prevents new fat from building up in the liver. You don't need a gym membership or intense workouts. Studies show that even a 30-minute brisk walk 5 days a week can significantly reduce liver fat. Exercise works in two ways. It lowers the amount of fat circulating in your blood, and it signals your liver to start burning fat instead of storing it. For seniors, low-impact exercises are ideal. Walking improves circulation and burns calories gently. Swimming supports the joints while providing a full body workout. Cycling is easy on the knees but great for fat burning. Light strength training, using resistance bands or light weights, helps build muscle, which boosts metabolism. Consistency matters more than intensity. 10 minutes of walking after each meal can be more powerful than a single 30-minute session. Movement keeps blood sugar stable, reducing the load on your liver. Think of exercise as your liver's daily workout. Just as muscles grow stronger with use, your liver becomes healthier when supported by regular activity. And remember, exercise doesn't just burn fat, it also reduces stress, improves sleep, and boosts energy, all of which play a role in healing fatty liver.
If you haven't been active, start small. Even gentle stretching, gardening, or dancing in your living room counts. The key is to make movement a joyful daily habit. Your liver can't move itself, but when you move your body, you're giving your liver the best gift possible, a chance to repair and thrive. Most people don't connect sleep with liver health, but science shows a strong link. Poor sleep increases stress hormones like cortisol, which promote fat storage in the liver. People with irregular sleep patterns are more likely to develop fatty liver disease. During deep sleep, your body resets. The liver goes into repair mode, processing toxins and balancing hormones. Without enough rest, this healing process is interrupted. Over time, the liver becomes overloaded and damaged. For seniors, sleep challenges are common, waking up in the middle of the night or trouble falling asleep or restless legs. But improving sleep hygiene can dramatically help both your energy levels and liver recovery. Practical tips include: stick to a consistent bedtime and wake-up time. Avoid screens and bright lights 1 hour before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Try relaxing routines like deep breathing, light reading, or herbal teas such as chamomile before sleep. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Studies show that people who get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night have significantly lower liver fat levels than those who sleep less. Even short naps during the day can help reduce stress on the liver. Sleep isn't just rest, it's medicine for your liver. By protecting your sleep, you're giving your body the chance to repair and renew itself every night. Alcohol is one of the most damaging substances for the liver. Even small amounts can worsen fatty liver. If your liver is already struggling, the safest choice is complete avoidance. Think of alcohol like pouring gasoline on a fire. It accelerates the damage. But alcohol isn't the only toxin. Many medications, processed foods, and household chemicals also strain the liver. Painkillers like acetaminophen, when taken frequently, can be harsh on the liver. Artificial additives, trans fats, and preservatives in processed foods add to the toxic load. The good news? Reducing these toxins gives your liver space to regenerate. Choose organic foods when possible. Wash fruits and vegetables to remove pesticides, and cook with natural oils like olive or coconut instead of refined vegetable oils. Hydration is also crucial. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports the liver's natural detox pathways. Herbal teas like dandelion root or milk thistle are known to support liver health as well. Think of your liver as a busy factory. If you keep bringing in harmful substances, the workers inside can't keep up. They break down. But if you reduce the load, the factory can catch up and even rebuild itself. Saying no to alcohol and toxins is like giving your liver a fresh start. It may be challenging at first, but the reward, a healthy, functioning liver, will transform your energy, digestion, and overall health. Your liver is a fighter. It has the power to regenerate and heal itself if you give it the right conditions. By cutting sugar, embracing a healing diet, moving your body, sleeping well, and avoiding toxins, you can reverse fatty liver in just weeks without relying on pills. Every choice you make at the table, on your daily walk, or in your bedtime routine is a step toward healing. Remember, your health is in your hands, and your liver is ready to thank you for every good decision you make.